just 12:30 right now. This is the Introduction to LearnLux event for our Fifth Third champions and human resources partners. We're really excited to be here today. We're going to be getting started in just about 1 minute. It takes a few minutes for kind of people to be able to get through Zoom and get logged in. So once it looks like the majority of folks are here, we're going to get started right away. And yeah, it looks like, actually, Marissa, it looks like we're pretty good. We've got most people on. The numbers are still going up. But I think anytime when you're ready to start, we can begin.
Sounds good, Debbie. Thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. We're very excited to be introducing LearnLux to you today. My name is Marissa Fecta. If you don't know me, I run the wellness program here at the bank. So LearnLux is the new financial well-being program that we'll be introducing to all employees on January 3rd, and they will be replacing ACO for us. So we chose the LearnLux program because it provides a lot of options to help employees learn and plan for their financial futures, no matter where they are in their journey. So whether you're just starting out and need help with budgeting and building savings, if you're working towards paying down your credit card or student loan debt, or if you just want to ensure your investment and retirement plans are on track, LearnLux can help you. So LearnLux offers over 50 easy-to-use lessons on financial topics, a variety of financial tools, and unlimited calls with certified financial planners for all employees, as well as their spouses. The program also features more than 20 custom lessons to educate you on all of our Fifth Third Bank employee benefits, from our 401k to our backup care program. LearnLux will also be offering monthly web events on a wide range of financial topics to get even deeper into everything from building credit to investing to managing student loans. One of my favorite things about the program is the built-in financial checkup. So that lets you ask questions about where you are in your personal journey. So do you have an emergency savings? Do you have auto and home insurance? And are you contributing enough to your 401k to get Fifth Third's match? Then, based on your answers, LearnLux gives you personalized suggestions on what to focus on next. So Rebecca Liebman, LearnLux's CEO and co-founder, is here today to show you the checkup and all of the great features of the LearnLux program. We also have with us Sabrina LaFleur, one of LearnLux's certified financial planners, who will tell you more about what it's like to have a call with a LearnLux planner and how planners can help people with all of their financial questions. So with that, Rebecca, welcome. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
Thanks so much, Marissa. Welcome, everyone. Really excited to share some notes about LearnLux today. I am one of the founders, and just my own personal story, I grew up never talking about money. I didn't know the first place to start. And that was really inspiring when I started this company to provide access to everyone, no matter where they're coming from, no matter your income or asset level. You can get help, and you can get help from a certified financial planner who is always going to be acting in your best interest. And you also will have access to a digital portal that I'll walk you through today to show you some new features that you'll have access to. So really excited to dive in. Quick overview that I want to start off. We really started LearnLux to democratize access to fiduciary financial guidance and make sure that everyone felt welcome and that they were in a judgment-free place to talk about money. It does not matter where you are, where you're starting from. You can come to LearnLux and you will get help from wherever you are starting from. Every single day, we promise and we guarantee security, privacy, and a judgment-free place to talk about money. And that's really led us to become the most accessible and equitable financial well-being program to empower anyone to have a financial plan. And so really excited to jump in and show you a little bit more about the program. Just as a quick reminder, another big thing that is really important to me, this is no cost to you. You will never be sold products, and you will also never be charged. Fifth Third pays for this for you to have access because they want you to feel confident in your finances now and in the future. So you'll never be charged for anything. You'll never be pushed a product. No one's making commission from you. You will only be helped in your best interest. That was something I was really passionate about that we stayed true to when we started the company. Okay. So let's dive in and we'll show you a little bit about the LearnLux program. So when you log in, you can log in through your email, through your company SSO. You'll answer about 4 or 5 questions that help us start to build your financial plan. They're mostly behavioral questions. Things like, what are you stressed about? How stressed are you about finances? From there, you'll come to this first page. And when you're here, I'll dive into some of the main features and then go deeper into each. Most people will start with the financial checkup. What Marissa mentioned is her favorite part. And the financial checkup really helps you understand your blind spots. What have you done? What do you need to do? What did you forget about? This will start to build you a financial plan. You can see my personalized plan starts with some of the basics, understanding my budget, making minimum debt payments, and saving for emergency savings. Of course, there are budgeting and account tools, and we'll dive into that more. If you set a goal while you were onboarding, we'll give you the option to just click on that goal, and you'll be given a path to complete that goal. So a goal might be, saving for retirement or paying down your debt, having emergency savings. We'll give you a specific plan. And then, of course, the ability to schedule a call with a planner. And you have a lot of different options here. I did talk about access a few times. So you can schedule a call and you can schedule a Zoom call. We'll go through what that looks like. You can submit a question. So if you don't have time for a full call yet, you can just submit a question and say, hey, I filled out my plan. Can you check on it? Make sure I'm heading in the right direction. Or I'm about to go through a big financial decision and want your initial thoughts. We also have this ability to chat, this chat button in the corner. And so you'll be able to click on there and within minutes get answers to your financial questions as well. So if you just don't have time for a call that day, you can ask a quick question. So let's go into a few more things. The checkup is very easy to go through on your phone. You can just swipe through or click through these questions. It starts with the basics and gets more and more sophisticated as you go. And you don't even have to go through every question. We'll start building you a plan even if you just go through a few. To make it less intimidating, you can just start with the basics. I got some confetti, I'm on my way. And here we break this down into small micro steps. Step 1, we're gonna build a foundation. Here's some of the foundational goals I'm working on. Step 2, it looks like I've done some of those. But as I complete these, I'll get more and more steps piece by piece. Okay, let's jump into budget. We can also get to budget from here. Okay, this is one of my favorite tools. A lot of the tools here are interactive, so you can enter any amount of money. Let's say we're making $67,000. Let's say I have an Etsy store and I'm making, $5,000 on the side from that. This is the biggest problem that I've seen people get really amazing help with, is just figuring out your taxes. And so let's say we're living in Illinois, and I can say I'm filing as married filing jointly for 2021. I can now see what my income is after taxes. And so the rest of my budget is made from that number and not just the number on my offer letter. And so you can really account for taxes and know what you're taking home. From there, you can go through and fill out your budget. And one of my favorite tips here is understanding pre-tax products. So right now, if you look on this left-hand side, my monthly tax liability is about $1,200 a month. If I decide I want to contribute to my 401k, let's say just $600, my tax liability just dropped about $100. I can probably even afford to do a little more. And I can keep seeing how my tax liability will drop because I'm using a pre-tax product like a 401k. You can do the same thing with HSA. I check every year, make sure I maxed out my HSA to the full amount if that's part of the health plan that you choose. And so these are really great ways to see what's coming in, what's going out, and understand your cash flow. Of course, you will also have the ability to attach your accounts. So you can go through this one by one. A lot of people like to go through that budgeting tool I just went through with their planner, with their partner to talk about money. But you can also attach your accounts right here, attach any savings, investments, other assets. You can attach any liabilities, any debt you have, student loans, credit card, mortgages, and will help you understand assets and liabilities, and you can see your full financial picture. Okay, let's go back to my plan. So I'm working my way through some of this. Let's say I want to talk to a planner, and you'll get to meet Sabrina very soon, who will talk you through a little bit of the planner experience. But this is what it looks like digitally. Again, you can just chat with someone here. But if you want to book a meeting, you can schedule a meeting here. You can send any information you have ahead of time. You can send your budget, and you don't have to. You can book a meeting right away and not send anything. A lot of people find value when they send information ahead of time. So Sabrina can make sure she has a plan ready to go and great talking points for you to go through. And then from there, I can schedule a call seamlessly, and there will be hours available before work, during work, after work, on weekends. You'll have any availability, and you can bring someone with you to the call. So that's a little bit of that experience. Let's go through some custom lessons. Okay, this is very exciting. And this is a self-paced way for you to learn about all of your benefits and all financial topics. So you'll notice these are actually lessons on the benefits that Fifth Third offers to you. So this is your 401k plan. This helps you understand all the insurance, FSA, HSA, healthcare, employee stock purchase plan, employee assistance plan. Many of the benefits you get through your company will be explained here in easy to understand interactive lessons, backup care, your long-term incentive plans, RSU plans, and it's all just swipe through on your phone, click through on your computer. You can read in just a few minutes. And that is really game changing. Many employees find that their benefits are incredibly confusing, and being able to read about them in an interactive way and quickly really helps. The planners are also trained on your benefits. So if you ever have questions on your health insurance, if you should choose your plan, your partner's plan, which plan to choose, you can talk to your planner about that as well. But these initial lessons can guide you through some of the beginning points. In addition to these custom lessons, again, on your medical plans and financial benefits, you also have lessons on every financial topic you can imagine, from how to start budgeting. The budgeting lessons will walk you through in an interactive way and actually build you a plan as you go. If you don't want to use the budgeting tool, if that's too overwhelming, the budgeting lesson will let you put in information step by step and explain what each word means. How does credit work? Credit scores, debt, taxes, getting organized for tax season, looking at tax deductions, extensions, learning if you should hire an accountant if you want to hire an accountant. And then in addition to that, there's some videos about how to fill out different tax forms as well. Student loans, insurance, all of your health expenses, FSA, HSA, HRA, home ownership and renting, mortgages, investing, robo-advisors, cryptocurrency, even stock options, how to save for retirement, and saving for college, estate planning, and financial planning. What is a financial planner? If you're not sure if you want to meet with a planner, you can click in here and learn a little bit more about what a financial planner is. So this really covers every financial decision that you will need to make, and they're interactive and easy to understand. So we're excited for you to have access to all of that. So we went through the financial checkup. Again, these are just the starting points, and then it gets more and more sophisticated as I go. Understanding my budget and pre-tax products, looking at my goals, talking to a financial planner, a certified financial planner, And then of course, the ability to attach your accounts and look at how everything works together. So that is a little bit of an overview. This will be live for you on Monday, January 3rd, after the holiday break. Amazing. I will pass it to Sabrina to talk a little bit about the Certified Financial Planner experience.
Awesome. Thanks, Rebecca. Well, hello, everyone. I am Sabrina LaFleur, and it is so exciting to have the opportunity to talk with you in preparation of launching the new year together. I am just one of a team of certified financial planner professionals here at LearnLux who will be standing by to answer any of your financial questions. Now, some of you may be wondering what exactly a certified financial planner professional is. Well, we are industry professionals who have completed rigorous financial planning coursework through a CFP board approved training program. We also hold at least a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university. We have completed at least 3 years of directly related work experience, and we have demonstrated our financial planning knowledge and competency by ultimately passing the CFP exam. Now, the role of your LearnLux planner is to provide the guidance you need around any financial topics that are important to you. We have all familiarized ourselves with the specific benefits available to you as Fifth Third Bank employees. So we are ready to help you determine what benefit best fits your individual needs. Now, to give a little background about me, I actually began my career in banking, where I gained valuable experience in consumer and business lending, insurance, as well as investments as a private banker. I've actually worked with 2 of the 3 largest banks in the US, so it's exciting to now be serving the professional community I literally launched my career with. I have now been a certified financial planner professional since 2008, and I have provided comprehensive financial planning services for clients ranging from less than 1 million in assets to over 40 million. So while I am experienced in all facets of financial planning, including retirement, tax, estate, insurance, investment, and college planning, my true passion is simply helping everyday people transform their everyday lives through financial wellness, which is exactly what brought me to LearnLux. Now, let's talk a little bit about how you can set up a call with a LearnLux planner. As you probably noticed from what Rebecca showed, it is quick, it's easy, and super convenient. Our team of planners is spread across time zones, so we're available to meet with you during a wide range of hours. You can meet with us before work, after work, during work, and even on Saturdays. You are welcome to have your partner join the meeting, or even a parent or other immediate family member. Whatever you're comfortable with, we are here to help. Now, after your meeting, we will send you a link with an overview of our conversation, as well as the suggested next steps that you can take to help reach your financial goals that we talked about. You're then free to either rebook with the same planner or another planner if you prefer. As for topics, you can talk to us about any financial matter that is on your mind. I've worked with people who are trying to buy a home for the first time, or pay off student loans, or simply choose what employee benefits they need based on their family situation. Some people just want to get a reality check on whether they're on track for retirement. Others want to build a financial plan that will help them work toward a lot of different goals at the same time. So whatever your financial need, we're here to help, and we look forward to working with you.
Thanks so much, Sabrina. I'll pass it back to the Fifth Third team if there's any final comments.
Sorry, Rebecca, I had double muted there. No, I want to say thank you to everyone who joined today to learn a bit more about financial wellness with LearnLux and where we are moving forward. I'm really excited about the program and appreciate you taking the time to learn today. And thank you to everyone who shared today.
Thank you. Have a good holiday season, everyone, and feel free to reach out with questions. We're really excited to be helping you, and have a great day.